Listen and speak. What is your name?
My name is Rock.
What is your name?
My name is Alia.
What is your name?
Sorry, I do not want to tell you my name.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
How old are you?
I am only 9 years old.
How old are you?
Sorry, I do not know.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
Where are you from? I am from Canada.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is white. How do you feel today?
I feel good today.
How do you feel today?
I feel weak today.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is burger. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. What do you like to do for fun?
I like to sing a song for fun. What do you like to do for fun?
I like to play football for fun. How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 siblings. My younger brother and sister. How many siblings do you have?
I have no siblings. I am alone.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is cow. What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is goat.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is rainy. What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Do you have any pets, Rena?
Yes, I have a dog. Do you have any pets?
No, I do not have any pets.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading a book. What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is programming. What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Dark Knight. What is your favorite movie?
I have many favorite movie.
Do you like to travel, John?
Yes, I enjoy traveling. Do you like to travel, Tina?
No, I do not like to travel.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is The Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. What is your favorite book?
Sorry, I can't remember at the moment.
What is your dream job?
My dream job would be to become a successful entrepreneur and run my own technology company. What is your dream job?
My dream job is to become a doctor. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up around 7 a.m. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up around 5:30 a.m.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football. What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is baseball. Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I can play any musical instrument. Uncle, do you play any musical instruments?
No, I don't play any musical instruments.
What is your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place to visit is the city park. What is your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place to visit is the Taj Mahal, Agra. What was your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject in school was English. What was your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject in school was math. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.